bought some Shooters Lube the other day. They sent me an email, said, hey, would you send us what you think? And so I watched a couple of other videos. Each video said, well, the gun's not too dirty, but it's not really telling us, you know, does this stuff work? Does it work well? Does it work just adequately, etc.? So this is pretty nasty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bunch of training sessions, 2 IDPA events. You can see that it's pretty fouled. So I'm going to try the Shooters Lube. So I'm going to give it a couple of squirts. It's not supposed to hurt any polymers. I have a polymer grip. So I am going to let this sit and then come back and see what comes off of it. Okay, so I don't know how close I can get. Well, you can see it's pretty filthy. Alright, so this is just going to be the first wipe. And usually right here, right behind this lug, is where it gets really nasty and I have to scrub, which is why I actually brought out the brush. And I got to tell you, it's all gone. It is absolutely clean. Just 2 wipes and just a little finger pressure. So far I am very, very impressed. So really gunky in here, really thick. So just bristle brush. It's coming right off. I'm actually very impressed. So yeah, this stuff's coming off quite nicely. One good wipe, a lot less effort than I'm used to. I won't name the other product. I still like the other product. Everybody's used that other product. It's been around for 1 billion years. And it smells good, even though the women hate it. Or some women hate it. My wife hates the smell of it. So I'm actually kind of pleased that this gun solvent is fragrance-free, as they say. Just taking a little brush and a little paper towel, cloth towel to get in, and all the garbage is gone. That was about the quickest I have ever cleaned the slide on this 1911. So I'm quite pleased. Just grab the frame and see if everything else seems to work well. And then we'll hit the usual trouble spots right in there, right in where the feed ramp is. And that is just coming right off. That's usually where I get a lot of buildup. That actually just came absolutely clean with no effort, really. Yeah, I got to tell you, quite impressed, Yep, slide's basically clean. I might need a little touch up here and there, but actually not really much in the way of anything. And I'm kind of particular about my gun and how well it is cleaned when I clean it. So yeah, I would say all the trouble spots, all the gookiness, everything that usually took about 25-30 minutes to get clean. I don't know, what did it take, 10 minutes, if that? So quite happy. Hope this is helpful to some of you if you're deciding whether or not to get it. So yeah, good stuff. Does what it says it's going to do and more.